We'll be going over a quick tutorial on the point of interest function for the Mavic 2. First, you need to find a point of interest. In this, we'll be using an island. Click the icon on the left-hand side of the screen below the Return to Home icon. Now click the point of interest icon. The next step is to circle the point of interest. Once point of interest is identified, click Go. The aircraft will begin subject position calculation. After calculation is complete, hit record. As you're circling the object, you have the ability to change the altitude as well as the distance from the object. If you move the left joystick down, it'll lower the altitude and raise the horizon in the background. Moving the right joystick up brings you closer to the point of interest and decreasing the radius of the circle. Keep in mind, the larger the radius, the longer it's going to take for the aircraft to circle the point of interest. If you push up on the left joystick and down on the right joystick, it will pan out and away from the object while raising altitude. As altitude and distance from the point of interest increase, so does the dynamic view of the background. By pushing the left joystick down, you will lower altitude while keeping the same radius. Push the right joystick up to go closer to the point of interest. The closer you are to the point of interest, the smaller the radius of the circle. The smaller the radius, the quicker it'll circle the point of interest. Make sure to get close if you want to circle something quickly. As you can see, I'm circling the object much quicker. If I push the left joystick up, it'll raise the altitude, and now that I'm closer to the object, I'll be able to see the top of it. When you're ready to stop circling the point of interest, you hit the X on the left-hand side of the screen. On the right-hand side, you can stop the recording. As you can see, there's a little number underneath it counting how long you've been recording for. This video was about 2 minutes. This concludes our point of interest tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to let us know if you'd like any other tutorials put together regarding Mavic 2.